Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about pointers and virtual functions. So I hope everybody knows what's a pointer. Pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable, and virtual functions are initialized to 0 inside a class, and so they are known as virtual functions. They're not real but virtual. Um, so uh, our question is the second question. First of all, let's just read and try to understand the question, then we'll move on to the program. So the question says, suppose you have a main with 3 local arrays, all the same size and type. Say float. The first two are already initialized values. Write a function called addArrays that accepts the address of the 3 arrays as arguments, adds the content of the first 2 arrays together, element by element, and places the results in the third array before returning. A fourth argument to this function can carry the size of the arrays. Use pointer notation throughout. The only place you need brackets is in the defining arrays. We are going to deal with 3 arrays, and 3 will be of float type, and uh, and array number 1 and 2 will be already initialized, and array 3 will store the values of the 2 arrays, the sum of the 2 arrays. So I've made a program here in CodeBlocks. Let's have a look at the program. So you begin by including the header file #include iostream and the standard library file using namespace std. Then we have an integer variable here, size, which is constant, and we have initialized it equal to 5. Then we begin by initializing main. As you can see here, we have given the function prototype, or you can say function declaration or function declaration. This is the name of the function is addArrays, and it has 4 arguments, 3 pointer arguments and 1 integer argument. So float star first parameter will be array 1, second will be array 2, third will be array 3, and int will be the size of the arrays. So here you can see I've initialized my first array, size is 5, type is float, and I've initialized 5 elements. Then I'm displaying the array 1 using for loop. Then I've initialized my array 2, and I've displayed array 2 similarly using just like array 1, and then I've declared array 3 here, you can see, and then I've called addArray function by passing all the 4 arguments into it, that is array 1, 2, 3, and the length, that is the size. Since size is a constant and cannot be passed as an argument, we are storing the value of size into an integer variable called length, and we are passing that length as the argument. So now I'm displaying array 3. So before that, the function call should happen. So outside main, I have defined my function addArrays. So addArray is just, it's a very simple function. It is taking 3 arrays as argument. So it will store the sum of A and array 1 and array 2, elements of array 1 and array 2 inside array 3. So it's very simple. That's it. I hope you understood. Now let's just see the output. So that's it. I've initialized array 1, array 2, and you can see the sum of the elements of array 1 and array 2 are displayed here. It's simple. I hope you understood. Thank you.